Okay, let's start a new game. The opponent plays knight f3 again. Okay, okay, I play e5, f5, and I want to play knight c6 and d6. So now I move h6. I don't want that he takes my attack me on g5. I also play to knight f6. Now finally I castle. So the problem for the opponent here is the fact that now I can play g5 and f4. So whatever pawn he moves, I move forward. So he plays c4. I can play g5, and I move my queen or knight to g6 and queen to f6, and I can attack f4. Yeah, now I can attack even e4. I cannot take the pawn now, but I'll wait until I can. Okay, I can attack with I can move with my queen. And now we'll have what we have. So it's a mistake to move bishop to e3 because I will move forward. I will move my pawn forward. What is he thinking about? So the opponent ranking is just 1.7. This is why he probably made such a mistake. The point is now I can attack. I can attack the king. I give him another pawn. And now I check the king. Yeah, he made a mistake. He should play to h2, but okay, it's too late. Now his position is vulnerable, and I don't know why he moved here, but I want to checkmate. So I move my knight to prepare the final checkmate attack. And now what? Now rook f2. Okay, good. Now I take. So now I take. He takes check. And I attack the queen. So he has one check. He can check me. In this case we exchange queens, but he still loses his rook. Or he can take a rook and lose the queen. or he can take a bishop and then rook. Oh yeah, he chose, the best was to take a bishop with a queen, but in this case, no, it's not the best. Actually, it doesn't matter. What now? What happens now? Check. And I attack his rook again, or queen, king again. So he has a chance to play e2, but it doesn't matter because he lost. He is deficient. There is no rook. He has no rook. Therefore, he surrendered. Yeah, it was a nice game. Okay, let's analyze. I have 3 great moves, 10 best and 2 excellent. Okay, let's check the review. What is here? Okay, knight f3, further kingside fianchetto variation. Kingside fianchetto variation. G3, bishop G7, bishop G2, so E5. I don't see any. Again, I don't see any. This is changed side. Yeah, I can only see the, I change back and then start again. Okay, knight f3. So right now, knight g6, play more. So e5. Actually, no problem so far. f5. Also no problem. Knight c6, he suggests, okay, any move is still okay. And right now the engine suggests d6, but can be any move, fe or knight g e7. So I play d6, so no problem for now. So the suggestion is ef. So the suggestion to take the pawn. He plays knight c3, but my suggestion, play hc, and it's a problem because now he can play knight h4 and f4. Yes, it's actually not so nice idea, but he plays a4 and I played ec, knight f6. Still he can play knight h4, and I need to play knight a7. Rook e1. Stop. Rook e1, and position is equal. Knight d4, knight d5, and now my position is better. So just because of this move. So the idea is to take knight and play to take the knight and play knight b4. I don't see the idea. Another is a5, another is g5. So now I can play g5. Actually, g5 is a good idea, but I take, he takes, and I move my knight to e7. Okay, I like this situation because now I can easily play g5. He plays c4, I play g5, and now I got better position a little bit. h3 suggested, but he played e4, and this is not good. So the best was a5, h3, or bishop d2. But after what he did, I can play e4. or knight g6. Knight g6 also possible, but e4 is better. Now he needs to play knight d2 and bishop d7. Okay, knight g6 is what I played. Then rook b1 or rook a2. Don't understand the reason, but what he plays, and then I play my bishop or my queen. So my queen, actually queen, yes, there is a move like this. Bishop d2 is a good move. Now, yes, I understand, because he wants to move the bishop on e3, d2, f and c3, but in fact he played bishop e3, and this bishop e3 is very bad move. So now the position has serious problem. So now I play f4. Yeah, I should play, yeah, f4 is the best move. And after he returned to d2, I play e3, exactly what I did. He takes, I should have played f3. Yes, f3 would be good move. But I prefer to play, yeah, f3 was 2.19, gf is less. So after he recaptured, he should play with the rook. I think rook f1 should be good in this case. And after he recaptured, I check, and knight king h2 is the best in this situation. And I can play knight e5. So if he plays here, so I play knight e5. This is amazing. I couldn't think of this move. I didn't consider this move. I was considering something else. But this was not played. So was played as king h1, and this is a bad, very bad move. Now he has -5. So he tries to, he should play rook e2, not queen e2, because after that I play bishop g4. And he needs to move his queen. So the engine suggests knight c5 as the best. So it means that the position is super bad. So he moves. Now we don't need to consider the engine, because engine said that there is checkmate in 7 moves. Rook f2, I played knight, it should be rook f2, but knight h4, queen f4, but he played, oh boy, I overlooked the checkmate in 3 moves. So I need to play knight f3, yes, right. I played bishop f2, then queen h7, queen h4, and now I should play knight f3. But I take, he takes, I check, he moves, and I check this. So actually I could, by this moment I would be able to checkmate him already. Okay, now his position is super good, super bad. The best is queen e6, and it was done. Check, take, and then rook, I win the rook. So I hope you like this combination. So this combination actually interesting, even though the white are responsible for their own mistakes. They start to play, playing bishop e3, that leads to this attack, immediate attack. But in any case, I would develop this combination anyway, or play something similar. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.